Boss, alam mo, very interesting yun, yung pagpalit ng butas. Hindi pala ganun kadali gawin.
Oo, hindi ganun kadali.
Tapos,
Kailangan expertise.
Tapos you appreciate kung ano yung ginagawa nung mga nagme-maintain ng golf course. So, what's my second task for the day?
Ito, fly mo. Fly mowing bunkers.
Fly mowing the bunker. So, ano bang ginagawa nitong machine na to?
Actually, ginagamit to sa mga bunker faces
Okay.
at saka doon sa mga slope areas na hindi kayang gupitin ng mga mower, mga
Okay.
rough mower. So ito yung ginagamit para rito.
I like how it looks. Let's see if it likes me back. So, paano ba to? Boss?
Ito, i-press mo siya.
Okay.
Then, gawin natin.
Tapos, ito lang. This is not easy. Do this all day. Now you appreciate the guys who do the maintenance in the golf course.
Yan, daanan mo lahat.
You heard my boss? Daanan ko daw lahat.
Oo, daanan mo lahat. Hindi pwedeng yung matitira hanggang dito. Yan.
He's a tough boss. That was tiring. But, as you can see, parang green na ngayon yung side sa may bunker.
Pwede
I
na.
grade myself. I think I give myself a high grade. But, I'm not the one giving me grades. It's boss natin. Boss,
Maganda, maayos. Mahirap yung trabaho, yung effort mo. I'll give you 99.
99!
Yeah.
Way higher than the first one.
Bumawi ka.
Pero matanong ko lang, no? How many times do you do this?
Usually, once a week lang yan. Pero kasi yung fly mowing ng bunkers at saka lake banks, natatapos yan in a week.
1 week yung buong 18. Oh, kasi yung oras na pwede mo lang gawin.
Usually, mga 3 to 4 holes lang nagagawa namin maghapon.
Oh, kasi
Depende
either
sa laki ng
before they
bunker.
start playing or the players in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So, I have renewed appreciation when my ball lands here of how hard it is to maintain. So,